हेलो, गुड इवनिंग entrepreneurs, कैसे हो आप? वेलकम टू दिस लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग. दिस इज प्रसाद पंडित वेलकम्स यू ऑल. तो जिन लोगों को मेरे बारे में पता नहीं है उनके लिए छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन मैं यहाँ पे देना चाहता हूँ. तो माय नेम इज़ प्रसाद पंडित. आई एम फ्रॉम 5% हब. आई एम द ओनर ऑफ द 5% हब एंड वी आर इन टू डिजिटल entrepreneurship. So what do we do basically is we are helping people to set up their businesses on a digital platform and helping them grow over there. Right guys? So मेरा क्वेश्चन है आप entrepreneur लोगों से, आर यू स्ट्रगलिंग राइट नाउ विथ योर बिजनेस बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड-19 कोरोना वायरस? आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपका बिजनेस जो है वो शेक हुआ है पूरा? इट इज़ नॉट योर ओन सिचुएशन बट दिस इज सिचुएशन ऑफ एंटायर वर्ल्ड राइट नाउ. और ये सिचुएशन में क्या करना है, इस सिचुएशन को कैसे ओवरकम करना है, इस सिचुएशन से कैसे बाहर आना है, ये हर किसी का क्वेश्चन है. आपने अभी तक आपके बिजनेस में बहुत सारा पैसा इन्वेस्ट किया हुआ है, आपने बैंक से लोन लिया है, आपने यहाँ से पैसे लेके यहाँ पे अपना बिजनेस खड़ा किया है. नाउ द सिचुएशन इज यू कैन नॉट गो अहेड because you do not have the ways, the strategies to go ahead, and of course you cannot go back because there is no going back. So what to do in this kind of situations? So there, over there we plays a important role. Yes guys, so we are helping millions of entrepreneurs, professionals to develop their businesses, develop their brands on a digital platform and helping them grow. Right guys? So ये हम कैसे करते हैं, हम आपको क्या क्या स्ट्रैटेजीज दे सकते हैं, व्हाट ऑल वी कैन गिव यू, ये सब हम जानने के लिए वी हैव अरेंज्ड 130-minute फ्री कंसल्टेशन फॉर यू ऑल. राइट गाइज? सो ये 30-minute फ्री कंसल्टेशन में वी विल बी डिस्कवरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिजिटल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, how to develop the platforms, how to plan the strategies, what are the things which you need to develop this digital entrepreneurship platform. उसमें कौन से elements होते हैं ये platform के ऊपर, what are the things you will be needing, what are the systems you will be needing to run your business flawlessly on this digital platform. ये सब आपको हम सिखाएंगे. And the most important, we will be able to help you with the main important thing, that is the traffic, means the clients to your site, to your hub, to your ecosystem on a digital platform. Yes guys, so we will be able to help you to bring the clients, the audience, the traffic to it, and we will be giving you the secret formulas to convert them into the sales or convert them into your client. So जब visitors आते हैं लेकिन 90% of the visitors bounce back. This is the rule of. So अगर 100 people are visiting your website or your products or your services, then not everybody is buying it, but it is they are coming there, they are bouncing back, and only 10% are in your hand. So what about this 90%? So how to reach this 90%, how to get them back, and how to convert them into your client? This is all about the game of this business, of every business, I should say. So don't miss this opportunity, and at the end of that consultation, free consultation, we will be giving you a fantastic gift from my mentor. That I have received that gift from my mentor from US. His name is Vic Strazus, and we will be giving you a free mass traffic blueprint. Oh, you can see over here. So this is a mass traffic blueprint right coming from my mentor Vic Strazus from US. He's a freaking master of sales, conversions, and the traffic in the entire space. Right guys, so I will be giving this downloadable blueprint for you absolutely free at the end of that 30-minute consultation, where you, even if you study this one, you are going to get bigger idea of how the traffic should get generated, how do you manage traffic, and how do you convert them into the business. So ये सब आपको मैं 100% फ्री देने वाला हूँ. So don't waste any more time, just click on the link below, get registered yourself, and then we will see you around on the live on Zoom. We will be setting up private Zoom meeting appointment with you, and we will be discussing thing. और उसके साथ साथ we will be offering you the whole bunch of services what we will be having and then you can choose whatever your situation right now. You can choose, like, multiple levels are there. So there are n number of products. You can choose a product from as per your requirement, and we can customize the product as per your need also. So अगर आपका specific need है तो उसके साथ भी हम आपका जो पैकेज है वो कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं, and we will be able to help you to get whatever you want to achieve. Right, guys? So I look forward to see you all soon live, and go fast and click on the link below and get yourself registered. Thank you so much for watching. See you around. Take care. Bye.